LIXEL Kitty K1, a compact handheld 3D scanner by XGRID. Sleek design and user-friendly operation, LIXEL K1 transforms professional 3D reality capture into a remarkably simple process. Weighing less than 1 kilogram, this lightweight device carries a 56 million pixel camera, offering a true panoramic view. With 360-degree laser horizontal FOV and 40-meter scanning, it captures every subtle detail. Effortlessly maneuvers through the areas, acquiring dense point clouds easily. And yes, it's absolutely safe. Pick up the LIXEL K1. Traverse the streets and alleys. Focus on your points of interest. You'll never miss every beautiful detail. Real-time rendering of true color point clouds ensures even beginners can create exquisite 3D models. Meanwhile, it's a professional surveying tool. Its mobile handheld operation bids farewell to the tedious and inefficient traditional survey. With built-in multi-slam algorithms, it helps to achieve centimeter-level precision scan in various indoor, confined, structurally complex, and dark scenarios. It's not only a tool for productivity, but also an engine for creativity. It all begins with LIXEL K1 in your hands.